the Samsung Galaxy A71 through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you don't know the pattern. You can see there's a pattern and also a fingerprint set. I'll progress as though I don't know the pattern. Normally you would press the power button to turn it off, but it locks you from doing it without the pattern. So hold power key and volume down until the phone shuts off. Once it shuts off, immediately switch to holding power key and volume up. Hold power key continuously while switching from volume down to volume up. There we go, we're now in recovery mode and bypass the lock protection. Use volume keys to navigate, select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and confirm with the power key. Then select Factory Data Reset again and confirm with the power key. Once data wipe is complete, Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press the power key. The device will reboot and the process will continue in the background. Be patient. Once finished, you'll see the Android setup screen. The process is finished and you can set up the device however you like. There is no more screen lock. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like,